the measure of a man. Not how did he die, but rather how did he live. Not what did he gain, but what did he give.
These are the things that measure the worth of a man as a man, regardless of birth.
Not what was his station, but had he a heart? And how did he play his God-given part?
Was he ever ready with a word of good cheer to bring back a smile, to banish a tear?
Not what was his church, not what was his creed, but had he befriended those really in need?
Not what did the sketch in the newspaper say, but how many were sorry when he passed away.
These are the things that measure the worth of a man as a man, regardless of birth.